Hey there, quick note before we dive in. What you're watching right now is a lesson from one of my courses that I've decided to release completely for free here on YouTube so you don't have to pay a dime. So instead of asking you to buy my course, if you want to show your appreciation, here's a couple of things that you can do. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel. These small actions tell YouTube to share my content with more people, which is a huge help. Also, feel free to check out my recommended equipment links in the description below. If you do purchase equipment from these links, I do get a small commission at no extra cost to you whatsoever. Or if you want to, you can leave me a super thanks or even just hit play on one of my playlists. I know it sounds silly, but if you just hit play on one of my playlists and let it play in the background, even if you're not paying attention, it tells YouTube, hey, people are watching these videos. I'm going to push it out to more people. So even if you just want to do that, I would love it. I would appreciate it so much. And then lastly, if you're looking for more personalized help, I do offer private coaching that you can find in the description of this video. Either way, I really appreciate you, whether you choose to do one of these things or not. Just by simply watching this video, it means a lot to me. Thank you so much. Now, let's get to the lesson. All right, your audio meter is what you'll use to gauge if what you're recording is too loud, which could cause your audio to clip, which is when you've overdriven your recording, aka just recording your audio too loudly, or if your audio is too quiet, which can also be problematic when recording. Most meters show three colors when recording: green, yellow, and red. Simply, green equals low volume or a quiet recording, red equals high volume or a loud recording, and yellow represents the audio being somewhere in the middle. If you clip your audio, you'll see a red glowing light at the end of the meter. This red glowing light is different from the red in your meter. The red in your meter is just letting you know that you're getting close to clipping. It's just a warning. Whereas the glowing red bar at the very end or top of your meter at 0 dB indicates that at some point during the recording, you have clipped your audio. dBs, or decibels, are the little numbers you see running up and down the meter that are in the negatives. Much like the colors of the meter, these numbers are there to help you set your levels before you begin recording. A little later on, we'll also talk about how to properly set your levels before you start recording now that you have a better grasp on the meter in general.